In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your Android keyboard not showing up. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, all you want to do is maybe check if you have a different keyboard installed. For example, if you go to search and then you just type in keyboard, there's going to be a lot of different keyboards that come up, and some of these you might already have installed. A very popular one is Google Keyboard, which is Gboard. So what you want to do to fix this is go to the top right, and I'm just going to install Google Play Store as an example on Gboard, and then it's going to install instantly. So what I want to do now is go to the top right, swipe down. It's going to show my control panel. Then on the top right again, you're going to see your settings icon. So go ahead and click on that. Then what you want to do is scroll down, and eventually you're going to see apps, which has default apps and app settings. So I want to go ahead and click on that. Then it's going to show all the different apps you have. So what I want to do is I want to search Gboard. Going to open it up. Now you can have it as your default. So you can set it as default if you want to, but I'm not going to set it as default. What I want to do is if you have another keyboard, you can either force stop on the bottom right, or you can go to storage and you can just clear the data and clear the cache. And if you want to, you can also uninstall it as well. And that way your Android keyboard will be used. And obviously, if you don't want to use the default Android keyboard, you can use something like Gboard and set it as default using the exact same method as well. But it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and also let us know in the comments what more tutorials you want from this channel in the future.